It is cold. I mentioned it was cold. And this is really awkward. Why'd they put them on the bottom? There's only new ones on the top. That get there. Well, good morning. Welcome back to the job site. Today we are removing that sign right there. Just taking it down and recycling it. Happens all the time. Business is closed and just gotta take the old sign down, make room for the new one. So this shouldn't be too bad. That thing's gonna come right off the wall. You can see the power coming in like right there. I don't even think I have to open this up to come right off the wall. So let's get to it. It is cold. It's probably 40 degrees, but there's a slight breeze. So it brings it down to feeling like 33, 32. That's what you get for working outdoors. So I got power right there. It's all the way down there. Sometimes it's nice to have power in on the outside. I just don't think it looks very nice. But it makes sense. Okay, now can I disconnect this without too much trouble? I hate it when they twist their wires together so much. It's like they just need to be tight. They don't need to be twisted 17 times. I'll take this conduit off too. Put a plug in the top of that box so it doesn't leak. I mentioned it was cold. This is really awkward. All right, disconnected. Use a strap on this. Boom. This thing is so small. I don't think I need my jib to chunk this thing off the wall. This thing probably weighs 50 pounds tops. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Not bad. Let's take you guys on a little ride. Come on. All right, let's see how this works. All right. So, where's my 9/16? It's in the other pocket. And yes, I carry wrenches in my pocket. Yeah, I carry lots of weird stuff in my pockets. You do this long enough, you realize you only need a certain number of tools for like 90% of the stuff you do. Yeah, a pocket full of driver bits, pliers, a multi-tool, 10-in-1 screwdriver. All right, 1 bolt down. Yeah, these raceways are super simple. It's just an aluminum box that has wiring in it with a cover on it. Actually, a decent morning, other than it being cold. It's not raining right now. Yeah, what's cool about this particular type of raceway, or the manufacturer of this raceway, is they put these tabs on it. These tabs here, and they slot into a channel on the back of the sign so you can move them wherever you need, which is actually really convenient. Right, here goes nothing. On the bottom? Oh, they are on the bottom. Why'd they put them on the bottom? There's only new ones on the top. Oh well. Okay, one there. And we put one on the bottom. Alright, so now this should come off the wall with ease. Nice. That's not too bad. Okay. It's actually a little bit heavier than I was expecting. It's maybe 80 pounds, which still ain't bad. Not even any holes to seal. I just gotta button up that box. That's it. Nice little landing pad here. Oh boy. Alright. Move this thing out of the way a little bit. That get there. That's yuck. More awkward than anything else. There. So that wasn't bad at all. Came right off the wall. Alright, what do I have? Yeah. So these will just plug the top of that box so it doesn't leak. Alright, go back up. Suppose I should tie off. Not just a good idea, it's the law. Yeah, so there's nothing to seal that isn't already sealed. Alrighty. Don't tell me there's a 3/4 box. Oh, there's a bushing. You just take this handy-dandy little plug, screw it in. Can't see what I'm doing at all. And getting these screws in these covers is hard when it's right in front of your face, let alone 3 feet down. I mentioned it's cold. So that's a pretty typical removal of a raceway style sign, but it's going in the scrap heap now. It keeps us busy. So that's about all I got to say. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.